What's up guys, kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, I have good news for you if you are a BPI users. Kasi free na ang pag-fund transfer from BPI savings account into other bank. Kahit major banks man yan or e-wallets. So kaya naman i-share ko sa inyo guys yung limitations at lahat ng bagay na dapat yung malaman about BPI offer na free transfer or free fund transfer to other banks from BPI savings account. At saka aalamin natin guys kung may limitations nga ba yung pag-transfer, no, yung free transfer ni BPI na ino-offer, kung ito ba ay unlimited or hindi. Kaya malalaman natin sa vlog na ito. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang, kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys here, ito post mismo ng official BPI Facebook page saying na starting July 1, 2026, sending money to any bank or e-wallet will be free with the BPI app and Vibe app by BPI. Napakagandang pakinggan, napakagandang balita para sa mga frequent users ng BPI, yung mga nagto-transfer ng pera, di ba? Yung may mga transactions, talagang malaking bagay ito, guys. Enjoy zero fees for both InstaPay and PesoNet transfers permanently. As you can see guys, permanently siya. So napakalaki, my God. So forever na to kumbaga. Starting July 1. So ngayon kung napapanood mo tong video na to, lagpas ng July 1, 2026. So meaning, implemented na itong offer nila na no transfer fee for all any transactions to other banks from BPI savings account. Kaya naman you can see, zero fees for all. So nakikita niyo si Ann Curtis tuwang-tuwa kasi siya yung ambassador ngayon. So here, let's dive deeper about this offer ni BPI, which is yung free fund transfer to other banks or yung libreng transfer fee. Starting July 1, 2026, the Bank of the Philippine Islands or BPI permanently eliminated all fees for interbank fund transfer to other banks and e-wallets. Both InstaPay and PesoNet transactions are now completely free when processed via BPI app, BPI Online, or Vibe app. So ito yung mga kailangan nyo malaman guys about BPI free fund transfer or itong libreng fund transfer from BPI. So yung covered nyo guys is yung PesoNet at saka InstaPay, which is yung madalas ating ginagamit, no, yung BPI, InstaPay, fund transfer at saka yung PesoNet. Yun naman talaga yung kadalasan ginagamit. Then via BPI application or BPI Online or the BPI Vibe app. So ito guys, quick reminder lang, no, when transferring money from your BPI savings account, make sure lang na authorized yung pag-transact ninyo. Make sure do not share any confidential details. Of course, yung BPI online credentials ninyo, which is yung username at saka password, do not ever share it with anyone because that is strictly highly confidential. So it must be keep it to yourself. So when we say confidential, hindi dapat siya sinishare sa kahit kanino kasi dapat ikaw lang may access ng BPI online account ninyo. Then as you can see guys, BPI app at saka BPI online, din BPI Vibe app. So kung hindi kayo aware what do you mean by BPI Vibe app, ito ay under BPI, no? Itong BPI Vibe app, which is doon nag-earn or doon nag-iipon or doon na-accumulate yung points sa bawat transactions ninyo. Any transaction man yan, kapag bumayad kayo gamit yung BPI debit card ninyo, BPI credit card, nag-fund transfer kayo, nag-cash in kayo, nag-deposit, lahat ng transaction guys is na-earn nyo yung points which is naiipon sa BPI Vibe app. So kapag hindi nyo alam, i-explore nyo rin yung BPI Vibe app. Here is everything you need to know about the zero fee policy. So ito yung mga dapat nyong malaman, lahat ng dapat nyong malaman about zero fee, which is yung pag-transfer ng pera from BPI savings account into other bank account or e-wallets. Covered channels are the zero fee interbank transfer policy applies when you send money using BPI mobile app. So aware naman kayo siguro sa BPI mobile app, no? So yung dina-download niyo from Google Play Store. BPI Online. So, kapag nag-login kayo via website, so nagpunta kayo sa BPI official website, then nilagin niyo yung account, covered din yun. Din yung Vibe by BPI at saka yung Bangko, which is subsidiary siya ni BPI. And then yung BizKo. So, yun yung mga covered ng mga wala ng fund transfer fee. So, kapag nag-transfer kayo ng pera, libre na sa BPI mobile app, BPI Online, BPI Vibe app, at saka sa Bangko din yung BizKo. Then, pangalawa, transfer methods and limits. So, ito yung mga dapat yung malaman about the limits kapag nagto-transfer kayo. At saka yung transfer methods covered, which is yung PesoNet at saka yung InstaPay. So, sa InstaPay, guys, kapag nag-transfer kayo gamit yung InstaPay, ideal for real-time transfer up to 50,000 pesos per transaction siya. There is no daily limit to the number of free InstaPay transfers you can make. So, kailangan nyo malaman, guys, na wala siyang limit, no? Anytime, anywhere. So, kapag nag-transfer kayo using BPI Online or BPI Vibe App, wala siyang limit. Kahit ilang beses kayo mag-transfer sa isang araw. Kaya yun yung pinakamagandang balita ni BPI talaga. Sa PesoNet naman, ideal for larger transfers above 50,000 with a limit of up to 250,000 per day. Funds are credited on the same banking day if sent before 4 p.m. So, ano nga ba yung ibig sabihin na to, guys? Itong PesoNet na to. Kasi dalawa yung transfer methods, which is yung InstaPay at saka PesoNet. So, sa PesoNet, guys, is real-time yung pagpasok ng pera, which is per transaction is 50,000 lang siya. May limit kasi to, guys, kasi alam mo naman yung AMLA, di ba? Kasi nati-trigger yung which is yung Anti-Money Laundering Council. Iniiwasan nila yung mga unauthorized mga ganyan, di ba? Kapag na-access ng iba yung online banking ninyo. So, malilimit yung paglipat ng pera sa savings account ninyo since may limitations yung amount na pwedeng i-transfer. PesoNet, ideal for larger transfer above 50,000. So, kapag above 50,000 yung kailangan mo i-transact, magpe-PesoNet kayo ngayon, which is credited naman siya on the same day kapag yung transactions ninyo is hindi pa lumagpas sa 4 p.m. So, sana aware kayo rin. Lagpas 4 p.m. on the next banking days na yun makikredit. Eligible recipient banks. So, ano nga ba yung mga bangko na makakatanggap or eligible para sa free transfer na ino-offer ni BPI? Which is, you can send money for free to all local banks. So, as you can see, all, lahat. Example, BDO, Metrobank, Landbank, and major e-wallets in the Philippines like, for example, GCash, Maya, and ShopeePay. So, lahat, guys, kahit e-wallets man yan or major banks, lahat ng klase ng bangko, libre po siya. Napakagandang balita. How to make a transfer step by step. So, ito yung step by step process, guys, ng pag-transfer, no? Take note lang, guys, na kapag nag-transfer kayo ng pera, make sure na tama lahat ng details. Huwag kayo nagmamadali. Dapat alam ninyo kung ano talaga yung exact name, exact account number, kasi delikado kapag nagkamali kayo ng isa dyan, hindi po papasok yung transfer ninyong pera mula sa BPI savings account ninyo. Make sure lang, guys, like for example, BDO. So, dapat BDO talaga yung account number at saka BDO din yung pangalan. Diba? Kailangan nagmamatch yun kasi magkakaroon kayo ng problema. So, of course, kailangan nyo mag-login sa BPI app or BPI online. Then, go to Move Money. Then, select Transfer Money to under bank or e-wallet. Then, select your source account and enter the destination account details. You can also scan or upload a recipient's QR code. So, uso ngayon yung QR code, guys, for faster transaction, no? So, pwede ka na mag-transfer, scan mo lang din, mabilis na para sure yung pag-transfer ninyo na hindi maligaw. Kasi pwede kayo mag-generate ng QR code doon sa recipient, pwede siyang mag-generate ng QR code kung sino yung papadala ninyo, then scan mo na lang, then sure yung pera na hindi maliligaw. Enter the amount to transfer and tap continue. So, of course, kung magkano ita-transfer ninyo, ilagay ninyo. Review the details. The transfer fee will display as 00 PHP. O diba? Ang sarap pakinggan. And confirm the transaction using mobile key. So ngayon kasi, guys, hindi na uso yung OTP kasi yun yung nagiging dahilan ng mga unauthorized transactions. So via mobile key na siya or via BPI application mismo, kailangan nyo i-confirm. Ikaw mismo dapat nakakaalam. Take note lang, guys, do not ever share your BPI online mobile key. It should be keep it to yourself kasi that is strictly confidential. Kasi BPI mobile key is yun yung ultimate weapon ninyo, which is yun yung pinaka-identity check, kumbaga yung verification process ni BPI para ma-verify yung transaction na yun. So ngayon kapag na-share mo sa iba, share mo sa iba, alam ng iba, so maaari silang mag-transfer ng pera mula sa BPI online savings account ninyo. Kaya take note of that. Account requirements. Ensure that your banking app is updated to the latest version to automatically access the waived fees. There is no minimum maintaining balance penalty for using the feature, though standard maintaining balances still apply to your specific deposit account type. So, ano ibig sabihin nito, guys? Isa-isahin natin para at least mas maintindihan ninyo. So, kailangan nyo i-update yung BPI online ninyo into latest version. Tapos, yung balances guys is kailangan pa rin talaga na maintain. What I mean is yung maintaining average daily balance ng savings account ninyo sa BPI. Kasi kapag nag-fall down, problema pa rin kaya mag-charge kayo guys ng 300 pesos na service charge. Kaya naman kung magkano yung maintaining balance ng account ninyo sa BPI, dapat na maintain yun. Like for example sa ATM, 3,000 yung maintaining balance, so kailangan naka-maintain yung 3,000 na yun, hindi dapat bababa yun para maiwasan ninyo yung charges in the future. So yun lamang guys. So I'm so happy for this kind of news na i-share ni BPI, which is yung no transfer fee to other banks, which is libre na yung pag-transfer ng pera from BPI savings account into other bank. Sila yung kauna-unahang bangko na nag-declare ng ganito. Thank you so much BPI. So I think that's all for now. Sana may na-share ko. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Cake, that says we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions.